You've done the brainstorming, the sketching, the dreaming, and now you're wondering, should I charge people up front, let them in for free, and hope they stick around? Welcome to the great app monetization debate, freemium versus paid. In this video, we're breaking down both models, what works, what flops, and how to choose the one that actually fits your idea, your audience, and your bag. And yes, I know what you're thinking. What if nobody pays? What if everybody just bounces? Valid fears. But by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to build around that and still win. Let me keep it 100. Choosing the wrong model early could cost you users, momentum, and money. But choosing the right one, that's how you build something scalable, something profitable, something actually useful. So let's start with freemium, aka let them in for free and upsell later. Now, it sounds generous, right? But it's a strategic. You're letting users fall in love with the core features, build trust, and then offering paid upgrades, maybe for extra functionality, premium content, or even ad-free experiences. This model works best if you are solving a problem that people are experiencing over time, if you can deliver value both for free but also more behind a paywall, or if you plan to grow a large user base fast and then monetize later through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or even ads. Now here's the tea. If your app has multiple layers of value, or you need proof of traction to attract investors, freemium might be your best friend. But be warned, if your free version is too good, folks may never upgrade. Now, let's talk about paid apps. One-time download fee, no fuss. This model works best if your app solves an urgent, obvious problem. People are actively looking for a fix. Or if you have a niche audience that values quality over quantity. Or if you're building a tool that is complete and doesn't need endless updates to stay useful. With paid apps, you don't need millions of users. You need the right users who are ready to invest. If you're worried people won't pay, consider a trial or a light version. And remember, a smaller, higher paying user base can be more profitable than a big one that won't open their wallets. Do not sleep on this monetization decision. Your monetization model isn't just a checkbox. It's a strategy that impacts your design, your marketing, your launch, everything. Waiting to figure this out later, that's how you waste time. That's how you end up rebuilding from scratch. Choose now, test fast, stay flexible, and the sooner you lock into a smart strategy, the faster you can grow and start seeing real results. So back to the question, freemium or paid? The best model is the one that fits your audience, your value, and your vision. If you've been thinking about building an app and feel stuck or overwhelmed by the process, I'm here to help. I'm Amanda Spann. I'm America's leading app educator, and I teach non-technical founders how to confidently bring their app ideas to life without learning how to code. If you're ready to break free from the confusion, wasted time, and tech overwhelm, I invite you to click the link below, where you'll join my free training and discover the Stuck to Startup system, a proven 4-step framework built specifically for people like you. Inside, you'll learn how to validate your idea so that it'll ensure that it'll be profitable, what you really need before you start building, how to avoid rookie mistakes that can cost new founders up to $50K, and how to finally turn your app idea into a revenue-ready app in just 90 days. Let's get you unstuck and on the path to launch. I'll see you inside.